beautiful weather is back. You are a sight for sore eyes, my dear, after a long, cold winter.
I know, aren't we ready for spring?
Lisa Briggs is ready for spring. The Bruce Company is ready to have you come in here and beautify your space. Now, just get me started. There's some things we need to make spring, like, ready to go.
I know plants are easy to buy because they're beautiful and they're easy to pick out, but you're gonna need some tools. So let's start with a good pair of gloves. Super important.
Buy some good gloves. The ones from last year, I'm sure they have holes in them. They're in your garage, you don't want those. Buy a new pair.
My knees are getting older, so a nice kneeling pad will help out immensely. And it's pretty too.
I like this. This will save your knees. Yes.
And you're gonna need some gardening tools because I lose my trowel every year. So we've got a garden trowel for digging.
Trowel, small
and
shovel.
a garden fork for weeding.
Love it.
Yep.
Basically weeds itself.
Yes. And if your thumb is less than perfectly green, we've got some ever blooming, never need watering garden art.
It's a great backup, but come in here, come and get the beautiful flowers and just put these out as well. For people who are looking just for some advice, really they should utilize your amazing staff.
Absolutely. Our staff has years and years of accumulated knowledge, and stop at the plant desk and we'll get you started and get you on the road to gardening success.
I love it. You know what? I'm glad you didn't have any more tricks up your sleeve over there because I'm running out of room. So.
Okay. I don't want you to drop anything.
It's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Glad to be back here. Come into the Bruce Company. For Lisa Briggs, I'm Emmy Fink, and you are buzzed into, do you remember?
Madison.
Madison. Cheers, darling.